Hi, in this video I want to take a look at graphing the equation of a line using the slope and y-intercept. Equation of the line in slope y-intercept is given by the formula y equal mx plus b, where y is a dependent variable, x is independent variable, m is slope given by rise over run, and b is initial value or y-intercept. Is the point where the line cuts the y-axis. In this example, y equals 3x plus 2, slope is 3, is in front of x, and y-intercept is 2. To graph a line using slope and y-intercept, follow these steps. Find b, which is y-intercept, and plot it on y-axis. Look at the slope. If it is just one number, you can write it as a fraction putting it over 1. Based on the rise and the run of the slope, plot the points, and the last step is connecting the dots to form a straight line. Let's take a couple of examples. Graph y equal 1 over 2x minus 1. Y equal mx plus b. Writing this equation under will help you to find the slope, which is in front of x, and in this case slope is 1 over 2, which means rise is 1 and run is 2. The first step is to find b, which is negative 1 in this case, and then go to y-axis and plot the point. Negative 1, 0, 0 is the origin, and you go down 1 and plot the point here, negative 1. Then slope is 1 over 2, means that from this point go up 1 and go along 2 boxes. So 1 up, 2 to the right. From this point, go up 1, go along 2, and plot another point. Now, if you want to plot the points on the other side, on the left side, now you go down 1, go to the right 2 boxes. Go down 1, go to the right 2. Do the opposite. And then you join the dots, connect the dots here, and in this way you have the line of the equation y equal 1 over 2x minus 1. Let's take another example. Y equal 3x minus 2. Slope is in front of x is 3, which means rise is 3 and run is 1. If you have a single number in front of x, you can write it as a fraction over 1. You can write it like 3 over 1, and this means rise is 3 and run is 1. Again, starting from negative 2, which is b, go to the y-axis, find negative 2, negative 1, negative 2, plot a dot there, and from this point now, you go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and go to the right 1. Rise is 3, run is 1. From this point, rise is 3, 1, 2, 3, run is 1. Make another point here, and join, connect the points here, and you have the line, you have the graph of the equation y equal 3x minus 2. Let's take another example. Graph negative x minus 2, negative x plus 2. In this case, slope is, you don't see any number in front of x. You see just a negative x. This means you have a negative 1 in front. We understand that is 1. And since we have negative in front, the number here is negative 1. So rise is negative 1 and run is 1. Starting now from plus 2, go to the y-axis, 1, 2, make a point there, and from this point you have rise is -1, you go down 1 and go to the right 1, make another point there. Go down 1, go to the right 1, because the run is positive. Go down 1 again, rise is negative, go down and go to the right 1 and make another point. Actually, you need only 2 points to graph this, but if you take more, that's fine. This is the line representing this equation here. And the last example, let's take -3x minus 3. Slope m is -3, which means rise is -3 and run is 1. Okay, we have -3 over 1. So starting from -3, go on y-axis, find -3, -1, -2, -3, make a point there, and then go and check the slope, which is -3 over 1. So you go down, I don't have another box here, go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and go to the right 1, it should be around this point here, and then you join the, or if you want to draw more points, plot more points on the other side, you go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and go to the left 1. Do the opposite you did with this side. And we have this line now representing y equal -3x minus 3. Thank you for watching the video.